Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Alt Tab black screen delay problem in gaming on Windows 11. So click here and search settings, open settings and here click on system. Here guys you will find focus assist, click on it. If you not find, so click on notifications and here set priority notifications and here click on turn on do not disturb automatically. So once you expand, unselect this all box when duplicating your display, when playing a game, when using an app in full screen mode for the first hour after a Windows feature update. So these all options guys, you make it disable and then exit and restart. So this is the way guys you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel.